With each year, Apple's iPhone launches seem to top the last, and these models may be the most groundbreaking yet. Let's dive into the leaked features that are setting the stage for a game-changing release. Stay tuned to Tech News Tribe for the latest leaks, rumors, and news on the iPhone 17 Ultra and Air. Don't miss out on this exciting tech evolution. A display like never before. Super Retina XDR OLED 2.0. Apple is pushing the boundaries with the display of the iPhone 17 Ultra and Air. Imagine a screen that makes you feel like you're staring into an entirely new world. The iPhone 17 Ultra is rumored to feature an upgraded Super Retina XDR OLED 2.0 display. With a 120Hz refresh rate, deeper blacks, and brighter whites, it will take media consumption to the next level. But here's the kicker: Apple may be introducing an adaptive refresh rate, meaning your phone will automatically adjust its display to save battery, while still giving you the ultra-smooth scrolling you crave. The iPhone 17 Air? Expect a more vibrant, colorful display, perfect for those who value sleek and stunning visuals. Are you ready to experience true cinematic quality in the palm of your hand? The powerhouse chip, A16 Bionic versus A17 Ultra Bionic. Performance is where the iPhone 17 Ultra shines brightest. Powered by the new A17 Ultra Bionic chip, it's said to offer faster processing speeds, energy efficiency, and top-tier performance in both gaming and multitasking. The A16 Bionic in the iPhone 17 Air will still be a powerhouse in its own right, but the Ultra's chip will make your apps, games, and experiences run smoother than ever before. Rumors suggest that the A17 Ultra chip could be built on a 3nm process, making it more efficient while offering a 20% performance boost over its predecessor. Expect faster load times, seamless gameplay, and an overall smoother experience. The power to transform your world lies within this chip, and it's closer than ever. Camera revolution, a 108-megapixel main sensor with periscope zoom. Get ready for a photography experience that will leave you speechless. The iPhone 17 Ultra is rumored to feature an advanced 108-megapixel main sensor. Yes, 108 megapixels. This would drastically improve the iPhone's already impressive camera capabilities. Imagine capturing every detail in stunning clarity, whether you're snapping a shot in broad daylight or in low-light conditions. But it doesn't stop there. The Ultra could also be introducing periscope zoom, allowing for a greater zoom range without sacrificing image quality. And the iPhone 17 Air? It might sport a more powerful camera system as well, complete with sensor upgrades for better low-light performance, though it may lack the periscope zoom. Apple is changing the way we think about smartphone photography. Prepare for crystal-clear memories at your fingertips. Longer battery life, the power of efficiency. Apple has heard your complaints about battery life, and they've got a solution. Both the iPhone 17 Ultra and Air are rumored to feature larger batteries paired with the A17 Ultra Bionic chip's improved energy efficiency. You'll get hours of extra screen time, whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling through your social media feeds. Expect up to 25% longer battery life on the Ultra, making it a phone that works as hard as you do. And don't worry, the iPhone 17 Air will also come with longer battery life, ensuring that you won't be left searching for a charger during those long days. iOS 17, the most seamless OS. Yet every iPhone comes with a new version of iOS, and iOS 17 is bringing major improvements. The rumored features include more intuitive widgets, advanced personalization options, and deeper integration with Apple's ecosystem. A seamless experience between your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other Apple devices is the goal. And with iOS 17, it looks like Apple is hitting the mark. New multitasking features, smarter Siri, and improved privacy controls will be game changers. In addition, expect a major upgrade in app performance and optimization, ensuring that every feature runs without a hitch. This iPhone won't just keep up with you, it'll anticipate your next move. Design overhaul, the slimmest iPhone. Yet brace yourself, Apple is rumored to deliver a design that will take your breath away. The iPhone 17 Ultra could be the slimmest iPhone ever made, with an almost bezel-less design, making the screen even more immersive. Rumors also suggest that Apple may be switching to titanium for a more durable yet lightweight build. The iPhone 17 Air will likely follow the sleek, minimalist design trend, but without compromising on usability or comfort. With thinner edges, refined curves, and potentially a smaller notch, these devices are going to be the most visually stunning iPhones yet. It's not just about what's inside, it's about how it feels in your hand too. Touch ID and Face ID, the next level security is a priority, and Apple is making sure of it. Both the iPhone 17 Ultra and Air will feature a next-gen Face ID system that's faster, more accurate, and more reliable than ever. But here's where it gets interesting. The iPhone 17 Ultra might also include an under-display Touch ID sensor, giving you even more ways to securely unlock your phone. Whether you prefer face recognition or the feel of a fingerprint, Apple is offering the best of both worlds. Expect the most secure, seamless unlocking experience yet. The future of security is here, and it's on your iPhone. 5G connectivity, lightning-fast internet at your fingertips. The iPhone 17 Ultra is rumored to come with even faster 5G capabilities, ensuring you're always connected. With support for more 5G bands, you'll be able to stream, download, and upload at blazing speeds no matter where you are. The iPhone 17 Air will also support 5G, but the Ultra may come with even better connectivity in more locations, thanks to an enhanced modem and better antenna design. Say goodbye to slow connections and hello to uninterrupted streaming, lag-free gaming, and lightning-fast downloads. It's a game changer in the world of mobile technology. Enhanced MagSafe, charging that's faster than ever. MagSafe is getting even better with the iPhone 17 Ultra and Air. Apple is rumored to be increasing the charging speeds for MagSafe, allowing for faster wireless charging without the need to plug in. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you'll be able to power up faster and more efficiently. The Ultra is expected to feature up to 30-watt wireless charging, while the iPhone 17 Air will have fast wireless charging at 15 watts. Expect the convenience of wireless charging without compromising on speed. Enhanced AR capabilities stepping into the future. Apple is doubling down on augmented reality AR with the iPhone 17 Ultra. Expect improved AR capabilities thanks to the more powerful A17 Ultra Bionic chip and a range of new sensors. With AR, you'll be able to interact with the world around you in ways never before possible on an iPhone. Whether you're using AR for gaming, shopping, or education, this phone is built to take your experience to the next level. The iPhone 17 Air may also feature enhanced AR capabilities, though it could be a step behind the Ultra. Either way, the future of AR is in your hands. Thanks for tuning in. If you're excited about the iPhone 17 Ultra and Air, like and subscribe for more tech news and leaks. Stay tuned to Tech News Tribe for the latest updates on all things tech. Don't forget to always conclude with the famous sentence, "Stay ahead with the pulse of tech."